What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to Show You How. And guys, today what I'm going to be doing is showing you how to fix the unrecognized disc on your PS4 in 2020. Okay, so the first method that you could do is you could clean the disc off. So you see, I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but this has a ton of dust on this disc. So what you would do is use some alcohol to remove it, wipe it off. Where if you don't have alcohol, this is also what else you could do. You could run some water, just put the water on there. And once you have the water on there, you want to get a cloth. It doesn't have to be a microfiber cloth, but you can just use regular cloth and just wipe the excess water off until you don't see any smudges anymore on it. So just do this and be careful. You don't want to scratch your disc or anything. And if you see any residue in your disc, you want to make sure you get that off too. So just get all that off, as so. And there we go. Okay, so now if that still doesn't work, the next thing you can do is you can turn your PS4 off completely. If it's on, turn it off completely by simply holding it until you hear 2 beeps. It was already 1. Okay, gonna wait. All right, now I'm just gonna wait. Now it is turned off all the way. Now the next thing you could do after it turns off is you could simply put it upright on its side. And actually I can put it up against this if you have something you can put it up against. Let's say this, for instance, this way. I know the part that you put this is pointing the other way, but you could simply put it upright some type of way, as so, and then insert your disc into the PlayStation, as so, and it's automatically going to turn on. And this upright position may help you, but you should also try it. But make sure you have something stable, you have stability, so that way you can hold it up against something and it won't just fall and break your PS4, of course. But yes. All right, so this is the last and final method if none of those methods worked for you. So now what you want to do is make sure your PS4 is either on all the way or you're either off fully. But since mine is on, what I'm going to do is turn it off completely again. So just hold it for 2 beeps again. And there we go. But make sure if your PS4 is on right now, make sure you do not just unplug it, because that will corrupt the entire system. If you do that over and over again, and even if you just do it a single time, it'll still corrupt the PS4. So just wait until that light turns. Okay, so now the light is completely off, and now what you want to do is hold the button until you hear 2 beeps. Power button. Once you hear that second beep, you can let go of it. Okay, now you can let go of it, and as you see the screen right now, it's going to put you into safe mode. And now what you want to do is connect your controller with your USB cable. That's so. Let's see. And now what you want to do is you want to go to rebuild database, as so. So click that and your database will be rebuilt, and click OK. And they say it may take a few hours, but it usually doesn't ever take that long. It usually take just like a minute or so, or a few minutes at max. It never takes that long. So you just want to wait until it finishes that, and the database is rebuilt. Should clear it up and remove the unrecognized disc error on your PS4. Okay, now it is done and you see the database has rebuilt. And if you're wondering, no, this will not ever remove any storage from your PS4. Everything will still remain as it was before. But yeah, that's pretty much the end of this video. I hope this video helped you guys out. Make sure you go ahead and drop a like and subscribe down below if you haven't already. But we'll be back to show you how.
Told me it was never gonna end. I'm at the top, never descend. Calling my name is going. Know that my freestyles be flowing. Look at the girl, she be frontin'. Won't come back till I throw some hundreds. Throw the racks and I tell her.